Poe AI review. Is this AI chatbot platform worth it? So what is Poe AI? Poe, short for Platform for Open Exploration, is an AI chat aggregator launched by Quora in early 2023. It gives you access to a variety of models, including GPT-4, Claude, Google's Gemini, Llama, Mistral, Stable Diffusion, and more, all within a single interface. You can even build custom bots tuned with prompt engineering. Poe offers free access with daily usage limits, while its pro subscription is around $20 a month, aka $200 a year, unlocking 600 GPT-4 messages and 1,000 Claude messages per month with full bot access and faster response. You get a clean cross-platform UI with mobile and web apps that sync your chats neatly. Here's what users are saying. On the positive side, Poe is great. It has excellent bots, especially for role-playing ones. However, downsides indicate that its compute points system is frustrating, limits conversations, and forgets context. And the pricing model feels unpredictable. Points burn fast and costs spike. There's also a notable controversy. Poe's Assistant bot lets users download full HTML copies and of paywalled articles in line, raising copyright infringement concerns. So is Poe AI worth it? For those who love exploring multiple AI models with ease, Poe is a strong aggregator. But if you want deep conversations, consistent pricing, or fewer restrictions, this might not be your perfect fit. And that's been an honest review of Poe AI.